Alright guys, so I'm about to show you guys exactly what I mean about the American style of hospitality when I say that I missed American accommodations while living here in Thailand. It's the little things like this. Look, this is the elevator, right? I requested to be far from the elevator. Now, when I did the same thing with hotels in Thailand, other hotels, Thai hotels, they would put me somewhere like here or here, right? To them, that's far. Shit, sorry, I'm not recording. Let's start again. Anyways, yeah, this is just, it's in the little things, the small things. It's not about luxury, it's about the little comforts. I requested to be away from the elevator, and this is exactly where they put me. The furthest place away from the elevator. And here's another thing, another of the little things that are important with the American style of hospitality. Not only do you get a key, but you get 2 keys for comfort, right? So you tap in, and not only do you have 2 keys, but when you arrive, there's already one there waiting so that your room is comfortable and cool. Whereas in the Thai hotels, you get 1 key and you have to come into a hot room every time you leave, because that's how they do it. And that's exactly what happened at the Cocoville Resort, the Welcome to Paradise BS guy. That's why they were in my room, because they wanted to see if I had the air conditioner on. What kind of BS is that? Because I did ask for 2 keys when I entered. So that's what my spirit of discernment is telling me. So it's in the little things like that. This is why I love American style accommodation and why I miss it, you know, after being in Thailand for 2 months now. You know, nothing major with the room. Like I said, it's not about the luxury, it's about the little things. So yeah.